Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel ABAP Genius. In today's video, we will be discussing about CDS view output and different options available in the CDS output. So this is the CDS view which we have created in our previous video, and we will be exploring all the available options and how the data is looking in the CDS view output. So I will right click and click on show SQL create statement, and it will display you the SQL create statement for the CDS view. So here it is mentioned as SQL view name, and we are fetching the data from VBAK, and whatever the fields we have mentioned in the field list, those are mentioned here. VBAK, VBLN and AUDAT and AUVRT, and the alias name which is mentioned as SO, it is written as SO here. This code will be automatically generated based on the CDS view whatever we have written. So let us run this and show the output. So I am opening this in different project for viewing the output. You can click on run as ABAP application or simply do F8, or you can do open with data preview. Both will show the result. And this is the data which we have. Here we have 100 rows, but if you see the number of entries, we have 17,612 records for this one. If you want to increase the number of rows in the output screen, you can simply alter this number and making it as 500, so that 500 records will be available in our output screen. And we have the show log, so it will give the details like time, date and the query details. And we have add filter and SQL console, which will be same, but the purpose will be different. Click on SQL console. It will give you the code whatever we have written in the CDS view. So now I will write a condition so that I want data for only sales order type as GPTO. I have written the query and I will run this one. So our output screen will be refreshed. If you see now, only GPTO orders are displayed, and if you see the number of entries, it will be 5107 records. And if you observe the CDS view, there is no change to your CDS view. It has implemented the where condition only in the output screen. This is the use of SQL console and various things you can do. Maybe you can explore doing inner join and all other things also, and your original CDS view won't be altered, and it will only alter the output in the runtime. And if you see we have add filter, I will put the filter on order type and I will do the ZPTO. So only ZPTO orders are filtered out, and if you see the number of entries now, it is 5107 entries. So this is how you can make utilize of all the things available in the output screen. And if you see here in the output, we have this name coming as SO, this one is AUDAT and this one is AUVRT. These things are coming from the data elements, but the first thing we have given the alias name, and so it is coming with as SO. If you wanted to alter this name or override this name, we can do that by giving the names here. I am giving it as a sales ORD and sales date and ORD type, and I'm activating it, and let me try refreshing it. Okay, yes, so it is unknown. Let me refresh this one and I will execute this again. Okay, this is in a different link. Let me refresh this one. Okay, changes are reflected and I will do the data preview. So the names are changing here. Sales ORD, sales date, ORD type. Even if you give the name of VBLN as SO, this list is taking priority and these names are coming. So this is one of the way where you can alter the names if you want to display, if you don't want to display the alias names and if you don't want to alter it, but most of the cases we don't use it. And let me try putting the where condition where rt equal to cpto. So let me refresh this again. Okay, and I will run this CDS view again. Okay, now if you observe only GPTO related orders only displayed, and if you I will give ZCO, let us see if it is coming or not. ZCO. Okay, no rows retrieved. So that means our web condition is working fine and we have the data related to GPTO orders only. So this way you can write your where condition to the CVS view. And one more thing I would like to show you is this SQL view. Open your GUI and give the SQL view name and try to edit it. So you will get a message that you can't edit the object with the standard editor. So if you wanted to edit any of your CDS view or any objects, you can edit only in the Eclipse IDE, but you can't edit in the GUI editor. This is one of the most important thing. And if you observe here, we have the mandate, all the fields, whatever we have. And this is the description, and we have the join conditions and tables. All those things will be here. This is the data definition name, and this is the SQL view name. Select conditions will be what this is the where condition we have given, and maintenance status display our maintenance allowed with restrictions. So this is how the SQL view name look in our GUI system. So this is all about today's video. I think this video is helpful to you. Please do like, share and subscribe to this channel for more interesting videos. Happy learning.